Hi everyone. So in terms of the similarities between solution-focused and narrative therapy, they're both collaborative approaches. They both take the stance that the client is the expert of their lives and know what they want in life. And then they're both take the stance that the client is the author of their story. They're the ones writing it. In terms of differences, solution focus works with identifying and creating the goals, while narrative therapy works with identifying the problem and then what necessarily surrounds the problem. Strength for solution focus obviously focuses on creating solutions instead of talking about the problems. According to COUC510 2016, solution focus is optimistic, it's future oriented, it strives to set or create this new reality. It also validates clients' experiences because it allows them to explain or describe their struggles and emotions in the sessions. Limitations to solution focus. COUC510 2016 states that techniques with solution focus are not used often in a routine way, so this can then hinder the development of an alliance, and then this can then cause ineffective results in the counseling sessions. Strengths for narrative therapy. It emphasizes the stories of the client. TAN 2011 talks about how it empowers clients to re-author their lives because they're the one telling their own story. Limitations for narrative therapy. Therapists need to be aware of their position in power and how that power can kind of manifest itself over time. This approach has not necessarily a set agenda or formula, according to COUC510 2016, that the therapist can follow to get or see positive results with their client. It also focuses on the therapist's personal characteristics, creating this climate COUC510 2016 talked about, and how the therapist needs to be aware of the climate that they're creating. In terms of solution focus and narrative therapy being compatible with Christian concepts, they both focus on community and the role it plays in our lives, the importance of it in our lives, and they both focus on the client being their own author, writing their own stories, making their own choices, and this correlates with the concept of free will and the choices that we have. They're incompatible with Christian concepts, as according to TAN 2011, both of these approaches focus on helping the clients work to fix things, but this can create the image that humans are objects, while Christian concepts really point that human beings are extremely valued and extremely respected. In terms of limitations of measurable outcomes, so solution focus, for the most part meets the requirement, as the focus for this approach is creating the goals, creating the outcomes, finding the solutions to the problem. According to Schweitzer and Rubin 2015, solution focus with solution focus therapy, the counselor applies solution focus problem solving and tactics to understand clients' situations and then engage in quickly identifying and reaching operational and attainable treatment goals. Narrative therapy, because there is a lack of a set of agenda or a set of necessary plans or formula to follow, this can lack in preparing the treatment plan and creating these realistic goals, developing these measurable outcomes, which then prevents them from tracking the necessary things they need to do to see that they're reaching these goals and that they're progressing in their therapy or counseling. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and I look forward to yours. Thanks so much.